Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to discuss the first chapter of history of class 9. The name of the chapter is the French Revolution. The French Revolution is a very important topic that has to be discussed today. Children, I have discussed in your previous class about certain revolutions. Why revolutions take place in society? What are the causes of the revolution in any society? There may be different revolution all over the world. In the previous class, we discussed about the American Revolution, Glorious Revolution. Revolutions have taken place all over the world. But this revolution, the French Revolution, is very important in the history of world that changed the entire world history. What was the French Revolution? What were the causes behind the French Revolution? Children, the main causes of the French Revolution took place in 1789. Okay, the main causes of the French Revolution were, the first cause of the French Revolution was the despotic rule of Louis XVI. Louis XVI, he was the king that time when the revolution took place. Okay, in 1789. He was a despotic ruler. He did not give the rights to the people. The despotic ruler is the ruler who does not believe in giving the rights to the people. He lived a luxurious life. He spent lot of money on wars. So he did not give any importance to the problems of the people. As a result of this, there was a financial crisis in France. In any society, in any country, this is the duty of the ruler to see that the people do not face serious problems. So there were various problems, there were various financial crises, but the ruler of France, Louis XVI, did not do anything. He increased taxes, and these taxes, the taxes increased by the monarch, the King Louis XVI, generally, mostly, they were paid by the common people, the people who belonged to the third estate. As I have told you earlier, that the French society consisted of three estates: the first estate, the second estate, and the third estate. Okay, and the second reason of the French Revolution was the privileges and burdens of the French society. It means that the clergy and nobility, they comprise of 10% of the total population of French society. Okay, they belong to first and second estate, and they were only 10% in French society. On the other hand, the third estate, there were 90% people who belonged to the third estate. They were the common people. Okay, lawyers, teachers, artisans, workers, farmers, etc. So, privileges and burdens mean that the third estate had to pay the taxes, whereas the first and the second estate, they were not allowed to pay the taxes in the society. So what happened? The people who belonged to the third estate, they protested against the decision of the monarch, that they thought, why should they pay the tax? Why the ruler, the king, Louis XVI, was not taking the taxes from the people who belong to the first and the second estate. Okay, children? And third cause of the French Revolution was the rising prices. The rising prices mean the prices of the essential commodities. Okay, they were rising rapidly. Okay, the people, most of the people, their condition was miserable. Many people were uneducated, many people are unemployed. They were living in poor condition. So at that situation, this rising prices was one of the main reasons of the French Revolution. Okay, children. And the fourth cause of the French Revolution was the inspiration by the philosophers. The philosophers like John Locke, Rousseau, and Montesquieu. Okay, these philosophers, they inspired the people by their writings. They were great writers, they were great thinkers. They talked about freedom, equality, and justice. Okay, these philosophers told the people that the king was not supposed to believe in divine theory. Okay, divine theory where the king believed that he was free to do whatever he wished to do. Okay, so these philosophers motivated the people, inspired the people, educated the society. So many people followed them. So this was the fourth important reason behind the French Revolution of 1789. I hope these points are clear. Apart from these 4 points, we should know the other causes of the French Revolution. One of them was the role of middle class. Okay, in any society there are many people, many classes, many groups. Okay, so generally middle class plays very important role in any society, in any country. Okay, so those people who belong to middle class, they were educated, but their condition was not good. There was resentment, anger in the minds of the people who belong to middle class. Okay, so these people who belong to middle class, they protested against the decisions of the king. They protested against the rule of the monarch in a way, the way he was ruling in France. Okay, they protested the price rise in France and many other things when the people were being exploited by the king. So these people played very important role in the French Revolution. Okay, so next point, next reason, it was a very important incident that took place in France, in Paris in 1789. Okay, this was the storming of Versailles prison in Paris. Okay, as I just told you about the role of the educated people in France, that the educated people believe that no one should be privileged by birth. Okay, as I discussed about the privileges, the people who belong to first and the second estate, clergy and nobility. Okay, they were comprised, they were 10%, and even they were not allowed to pay any taxes. Though those people who belong to third estate, okay, who belong to middle class, they believe that all the people should be treated equally in society. Okay, there should not be any kind of discrimination. Okay, people must be given freedom, there must be justice, and the king must work for the welfare of all people in society. Okay, children, so Versailles was a prison, okay, in Paris. When the prices of the essential commodities were increasing that time in 1789, so in the month of July, the agitated crowd attacked the prison. Versailles prison was attacked by the agitated crowd. Okay, in 1789. So this was the immediate cause, very important incidents of the French Revolution that took place in 1789. So children, these were the major causes, main reasons behind the French Revolution in France in 1789. Okay, then there were other factors which were also responsible for the French Revolution that will be discussed. later on. So you should be knowing about the French Revolution, when it took place, what the main causes of the French Revolution were, okay, and the autocratic rule of the Louis XVI, okay, and other points which I just discussed with you in the class, okay. All the points are very important for us to be discussed, okay.